Yeah, lana, ways. What's up? I'm reaching you from Tamale, Ghana, West Africa. The suburb, to be precise, is Bewa residential area. An extension between Ganasco or Kobilmagu. From my father's residence. What's up, Onuma? You see how they smile. Sometimes if I smile, it doesn't mean good news. So, because if I smile and you see my attire and I'm wearing black, see, I'm about to mourn some dead artist, some dead rapper whose name has died off from the industry, and he wants to use a senior mind to climb back. After trying his colleagues, engineers, and never succeeding, he thinks targeting the senior man will be the last option. And I want to say RIP to Shaban. So share this video, RIP to Shaban. Shaban is dead. For just saying he wants to dare me, that in itself alone means he's dead. He's dead. I'm telling you, he's dead. And I'm laying more emphasis on the word dead. Shaban is dead. See you. A small boy who wants to grow to be a legend. Wants to try a living legend. He will be in the trash very soon. Tanzan Shaban nan sa'ara na pumpon. Shaban will ne ke sa'ara ne. Dako yugo will ne ke sa'ara ne. Bambo ne ben sha'abola ma tampule. Because yan bola sa'amondo ko to ko jia yuna kan nyabro ma. Serious. Samondo ko kan ko mbuntu Shaban jin mke yul ne nyaba masham. Because me I be motherfucker. If you joke, I go fuck your mother. Well, ways. You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. Today I'm all black. And you know what it means. See this imbecile. See a boy who wanted to follow me to gain limelight, but followed the wrong channel, because I was on Northside Radio when he was brought to me by a guy called Ascona, when I was on air talking and making analysis, and they wanted me to give them a chance to rap, and I said no, we don't do it that way. I need to know you and know what you are capable of before I can give you chance on air. And from that day onwards, that little boy kept what I've just told you in his mind. And because yesterday I declared Macasio winner and decided to withhold my reasons some way, somehow, because the game is so complicated and sometimes you come out to do things without letting people know your reasons, so that it will keep them in suspense. The small boy says he wants to battle the rap god, the battle beef god, and I'm asking, Banam way a battle, Tamalza, Banam way a battle. Depa come Mugunda can antimia bung tibaki bang, real battle ninja ben shao, Banam way a battle. Shaban akare pia umewo. Just bring it on and we'll start. Because double team in Makasio Bampam Kila Kari, I could pal me. And let me tell you something. By tomorrow and tomorrow next, I'll drop you a video of Shaban to see his real life situation, how he's suffering. Yeah, and drop him a video about Shaban. Kinya Shaban ne dire wahala sham. Onko pili ila from Bagba time Highland zungona jinda. Omi kazo sumo. Ngonato ba'lo moto onkana hal tamale. If you see Shaban, nouns or garabuchi wunchan nang mahara nyinyare tamale. I will drop you such a video on my timeline. If I don't drop you such a video, yindlan follow him. Everyone on my platform should unfollow me. Yen drop him Shaban video. Oye ya Shama kanat. Ashama ochan la tangendo kamani nyang mahara. O kanata mal the same way ko ochan tangenda kamani nyang mahara. Kan yara yen be post la video man on my timeline. Don't believe me ever. Atman ye wolo lana ko kanata nang the live being tell me I'm a big liar. Shaban ama pane. Abal lana. Ama zungule. Mankwen darga man to haga mazungul ko blidra kan nyabra ma kabo ko bilta ka jia yuna stupid idiot. Useless boys who can battle his peers and has faded out in the industry and wants to try his father's colleague. Abake nyama Shaban. Bolma abayule dagbango katinye bebe bolen yule na abayule dagbango munukaba mi. Yama zungule. Ama nyirvao. Akari e pia o. In fact, I'm just going to ban you from Tamale. After ne kila kari and I am banned from Tamale. Amantana Tamale ka mbeya Tamale don't number me mana because Tamale Zanyala will always. So anywhere my fans spot you, they will tell me they have spotted you with an eagle eye. And I'll soon be there. Savilu wheezing yelma, I'm a pan quabrata. See my hands, three fingers, I'm a pan quabrata. Shaban, I'm a pan quabrata. I'm a pan quabrata. Mbora na so yisi ka drop a battle mark and cannon a counter. Kadabang zanha bang na mi ben shao. You don't know music. Tirgo Nyamaka se on ride beach ka chant ride le ma difference man viga ban sham. Nerbi ku believe am somehow. But I've ku fi me kapu yai. Kama ama pan yama, ama pan ya shel na yina. I've ku fi me nku yagan do Shaban. I've ku yama kama ama pan yama. Stupid boy. You don't have manners. You don't have respect for even your mother. Bumpon kan wumsi baganta lamba. Vagabond. Vagabond. See this useless imbecile. An yisna ka wum de dagbang yila halka koreti ke battle ne Shaban. Mulena min me battle ka win wol lana. Tell me. Oh, I'm a man summit na yuli chia. So, wol lana ne to resurrect our career. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. The fly that refuses to take advice follows the corpse to the grave. Nizo so nzase sasugo odolakim mpergballene Shaban yimtima. I'm telling you seriously, you think I'm joking? Nyingulu ko timuma forever and ever. Makasio double T ngune bi jamda jama. Mambe jam de so. Yila mika bi kurle, yila mika za kurle, din ka tamal nimzo pin tal na che ka mi. So uncle little for be from me, abandon mistake. Halnering 100 years ananto call me. Dinan kan nanang active in music, so you've not made any mistake. You've just met the right person. The right person. Amazungul call. Onya is so stupid boy. Inya beef mun kamzang le changna yile artist nya be pandit nya be listener nya be entertainment analyst nya na ono boha. Leave this beef as it is, because that is our job. Tonuntumanya la yila. And we know the rules and regulations. We know the rules and regulations in this game. Fadlan, or what do I call him? Excuse my language, not Fadlan. Fadlan is so humble and respectful. Abnyon chang halta pa level shell. Halta bana ba pala level ma. Shaban. Ayuli kiyayi. Yen dargama sabgama zangul ko bleedera kan yabro ka bo ko belta ka ze yuna. Idiot! Pussy! Pussy! See, this guy, I'll tell you a lot about him. When he drops this song, or I drop this song directed to him, I'll tell you a lot about him. Shaban tan nebo mio, on be tamalo non ko changan karante be. La kios in a man, kay no baying bela shama. You are a big liar. Abakuto da plot hala ashama. Shaban abakuto da plot hala ashama. The purne. Ashama purna abakuto da plot. Stupid boy. Amit bayin sinizelu shangankara. Useless boy. Useless boy. Amit banam yin sinibelu shalankara. The time we were in Accra schooling, where was your father? Abarana biala dagbangom mwara no bangankara. Omina ma useless mother. Stupid boy. Nyene? Ya last time balaka akana tamale. Tamale fon kam hala fon no kukoe. Tiaba ye fon mane. Nyangu yamboy. I found here, yema in Germany. After no battle and killer spirit nagi. Anytime can you na shena tamale and Shaban ye tamale. The whole kuko yen yam boy. Asban ngarla kuko, wuntamon ngarla kuko. Name garla ku dane. And I can be live. And I'll show you my direction wherever you are and whoever you think you are. And think you want to fight for Shaban. Yeah, mbola ko obele zalaka ajia yuna kan nyabrama. Stupid boy. Hey, nyini, rapper nya. Shaban, are you a rapper at all? So makasi one kili beat mashama, laka kilele. The same beat he used. A mistake no kunye shalambala. There to na bachang to find a beat chalani to ride comfortably on. Useless boy. You are just doing music for fun. You are not a professional musician. See, some few days ago, I just had a message from Ghana Musician Rights Organization telling me that start dispersing our royalties by Wednesday, which is today. I'm yet to even check my account to see whether my money has dropped or not. Stupid boy! Are you a professional musician at all? I'm a zungule. Onya is so. I'm a zungule ko. Pussy. See, Farlan, that is the Shaban. Kai, it pains me that Shaban rhymes with Farlan. Because Shaban changed Farlan in the history of northern music. I'm telling you a fact. It pains me those, you see, I'm already playing with the words. Shaban dunia ilazo untinyang so kamza. You are that one artist who lacks brand and can't even wear a better slippers that cost up to 20 Ghana cedis. Shaban, you only man is a musician. Oka slippers the neto dampa 10 cedis. Now I am post slow video. I am going to post his video. Kinyon chen tang sham kama abochi. Onwala abochi banga nung mahari niyar kawa pak. You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. Hey, small boy, your career is ended. Your career has ended. Because Dagwame yalnan dam to Sheldon Garaya as I and Johnson. Now, Shaban Yenzo Jinsia. Yenzo Jinsia. Okay? As a jinsia. So Shaya Chanti in your haters. Bambian comment negative comments man you say. You won't come out commenting negative lama bina I'm a panny. Savile who is in Yelma I'm a pan cobrata. Ima pan cobrata haters ima pan cobrata. Mal ashel de netoje yung zani bamini manam tabli family za. Okay? No go feeling in user phone shall can user man. But because of in the karmala kama phone in yele bihagun ma. Zancha na umbe song ni cheki bang no belpin bian makache bi. Ala nye phone. Now it's all over girlfriend to iPhone 13. They've been too late, man. But I'm just trying to be me. I'm just being me. I'm a fake rap. I just love using some song. And I've been using this phone I'm using from the onset of this new brand up till date. And that is what has taken me to this level. So ibanza happy and commentary negative ma ima gbana. See, middle finger. Ima nyirsi, ima pana. Aballa na kwe nyala aballa na kama pana nyama pana. Pussy. Kobo yika jire ki mara hali shapa fraud boys by iblan browser game matchang la different level yi pamkulanto browse jire allo game boy jire See, man life ni man najin swap ben sha'am bihago pune. Liga nyalo, phone nyalo, bullying nyalo. I've never swapped anything in my life. And if there is anyone in Tamale who can ever come out and say that I've ever sold an item from me to him, that person should come out. Pussy idiots. You are dealing with a superstar. Itamina low musicians ma nyama. Ima pana. Ima gbana. Stupid ass niggas. See, Shaban. Okare India. I'm very serious. If you are watching, share this video to reach Shaban and tell him that Wololana Hartman says his career has ended because he has bitten more than he can chew. Oh, Osman Gatuso, my boy. I'm a gbuna. I don't remember Abu Hamila Karanyanga. So you don't know anything about me. The fact is that between myself and Shaban, Mami Shaban difference nyame. Oba balankane, Ngba balankane, but Oba becheben shao. Dunia yilento mpama. So that's just the difference. If you don't know, my intellectual property alone, nichang shukuru ntizan level shele. Mba mine manezang manang shukuru, kanchang tapa level shele. Kabilam yuhamma kan zoka che shukuru. Kam mamang tebang ne shukuru important. Kapile mang fees yu abkata ham mang shukuru level shele. Shaban no multiply pagla level. So don't use Shaban to compare me in any platform. And I'm throwing this challenge. You comes out believe Shaban, can't believe in Shaban. I'm throwing this challenge. You comes out believe Shaban Bangsam. Can't believe no change, yama. I am going to throw this challenge right Shaban. We can start posting our results on social media. This very same timeline. I will come and post my JSS results. Kashaban poste, Kankanata poste SS. Kashaban poste. Kibang. There is difference between white and black. Kashaban change in any respect or in any aspect or endeavor in life. Hello Baba Palmer. Shaban Baba Palmer really dabangu. Negana Za. If you mention the name Wolana Hartman and you mention Ahmed, Shaban Ba yule double pagan yule. Onya is so. Amazungul ko. Maya put a message ma across ma. And so those of you stupid fans who are out there supporting Fadlan, ima ben chara. You mean Shaban za ima pan kovra tata. Let me straighten the fingers for you to see. Ima pan kovra tata. Ima zunguya guya. Shejinama. Oh yeah, wicked game kind of. You guys will never comprehend what I mean by wicked game. When I say no mercy, I really mean my words, no mercy. Because in war, there is no sentimentality. War is war. As it was said in Animal Farm, the only good human being is the dead one. There is no sentimentality at all. And so I'm not going to show any sentiments when I'm dealing with any artist. Uncle Yina, unto believer man cross man path. Shy young nam zangajilan advisor. Unya is so. Mohammed Hassan, I'm a punk of rata. Woo! Temaya Zaba. I'm a punk of rata. Stupid idiots. Share this video and tell that useless boy that I'm out for him. Undwell double team in Magasio Kabagomelo Jamda. I'm not a joke artist. I am not a joke artist. Okay, Baba Yusuf, ya Magbana. I'm Magbana. Your mother in pussy. Just share this video. I want to get back to the studio. I'm seriously laying a serious song for you this same week. Hey, Wolonuma. Hashtag the word Sabaja. Kasabaja kanchang yina. Kalam lami kanchang yina. Ntibore ni yile. Inyanam lunsin yile doama kazalma. Kasabaja kanchang kana. Kalam lami kanchang yina. Ntibore ni yile. Inyanam lunsin yile doama kazalma. Yana mo'il malachang pam. Namoyil malachang pam. Ye dagbang watanam kumdi abalmaye. Yakasabaja kanchang kana. Kalam lammi kanchang yina. Ntibare ni yile. Inyanam lunsin yile doama kazalma. Kasabaja kanchang kana. Kalam lammi kanchang yina. Ntibore ni yile. Inyanam lunsin yile doama kazalma. Wumungo. Yeshitop and do in yabnyasin do in yabizum. Dizo bantali. See, watch out for my next track dropping this very week. Kasabaja. Shaban banuma. Ataka numa. Bichang lam. Nchang sabaja. Nkanatinye yila biene. Kala sabaja be lam kanchang kanati pili yila. Stupid idiots. Ima gbuna, ima pana. Ima nyirsi, ima pankwa ratata. Pussy. I will never. Baba Yusuf. I'm a gbuna, useless boy. Can you show your real identity? And then ya taunan labata passe. I'm a pampong. Share this video to reach that useless artist who can't even buy a bicycle spokes. Not the wheel, not the tie, but the spokes. Useless boy. Yambola kobil taka jie yuna kanye ni nyaba masham. Akari ekia. Mana chen la shama. Kalabrina tamale. And ye this time labashama akula labna northern music industry. Useless boy. When was the last show the last time kakunya kabubola and tata a bigger platform Antonang Street Carnival? I'm daring you, Shaban, if you think you are an artist, come out and stage a street carnival, a free show. Useless boy. I'm a pankobra. Stupid boy. Lana ways. Now let me get back to yesterday. The criteria I used to declare Macasio as the winner of the current beef going on. Earlier on in the morning, I came out with a poll. On my timeline, the Lana page. And then what happened was that Munkaila Idris Amazungule. Yo, my in-law, what's up? Amancio Jade, what's up? I came out with a pool. And at the end of the day, going by the statistics we had from the pool, Macasio was on top. And so I declared him as the winner of the current beef. No feelings attached. I'm not a 69 fan, and I'm making this point vivid and clear to everyone who is watching me right now. I'm not a 69 fan. I'm not a Gadam National fan. I'm not a fan of any musician in northern Ghana here. In fact, if there should be any fan at all, then they should be my fans because I started music before them. They listened to my music when they were all growing up. And I'm repeating emphatically, they still listen to my music till date. Ambora nyumbam gadam no wumde yila biyo na bo wumda. Kabo hamakasio. Kabo hangun stupid useless boy ma Shaban. So mampa 69 fan, me pa Gadam Nation fan. Ka fan in yama artist in yama, you know it. In follow your page, shalom ka fan so page mbala artist page in yala, you know it. Rich Paro amagbana. Kin Wise way Abdulaziz. Amazungul chaba. Useless boy. If your father is like me, you would have come out jubilating for the whole world to see you. Useless boy. Ali of Ghana, misogyny is dead and gone. In fact, he's even begging interviewers and every blogger to tell me that he wants the beef between myself and him to come over. So some of you fans, you are just exhibiting your level of stupidity on this platform. And so it's even high time I don't even mind you. See someone's name, Tabakpang. Kai! You are really a mad guy. Akutokpang. Hey, Tabakpang, I'm a Zungulko. When I saw anyone out there, I say throwing out negative comments, ima pana. Imin Shaban, ima Zungulko. Stupid guys. I'm out there and I mean you guys. You know me ben shao ma mini agari mini masham. Now me could make mame. Munkala Idris yama zungul chaba. Stupid boy. If you don't respect yourself, I don't deserve to respect you. Kin Wise Lablaziz. Ababa chabla mo male. Aben temuku mga chua. Karabenara o male. Amazungulko. Ali of Ghana, yunguna benda azanga matepua. Oraben yung yendi luko mon halente zang le mega baba. So yunguna tiyara don't come on air and talk. Miapam. Rich Sparrow. Amnya wile. Farayan kwa halwansi de aka. Kabola man Rich Sparrow. You know the meaning of a sparrow. You are just a bird. So mama poga, I'll squeeze you and kill you. Stupid idiot. So watch out. Sabaja is dropping this week. Inya. The meaning of wicked game is yet to start. It's yet to start. Munkaila, Idris, Onya I saw ama kanyabro ama middle finger ama. Amana nung wet, kaba midin cheko nung wet. Ashe walola be Facebook nyabro. Idiot. So just share this. Share this. Stupid fans. Stupid fans of Shaban and stupid fans of Double T. Share this. It is what it is. You get it? You don't get it? Forget about it.